way Michael would turn around.
We're sitting over there talking about how we wish we had a video camera, and I look over here and I see you, I'm like, oh, he's taking care of that right now.